In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the fog lights on this Toyota 4Runner. Let's get started. Behind the front bumper, we are working on the passenger side, but the same procedure will apply to the driver's side. I'm going to start by removing the connection, or the electrical connector for the bulb, set that aside, and then there will be three 10mm fasteners to undo at the top. You can see one mounting nut right here, and there are two bolts that go on top of the fog light assembly here and here. You can't see these very well, but I'll show you exactly where they're located once we get this off of here. It doesn't matter which one you start with, it's just a matter of preference. There's one of them. The other one is on the other side of the fog light. If you follow this part of it all the way to the bumper, you'll feel the 10mm bolt. There's the second one. Last one is this one up top, another 10mm nut. You don't have to remove this completely, but I will because we have to transfer it to the new fog light assembly anyway. There it is. And now the last thing holding this on is this push clip right here at the bottom. Slide it out, the fog light assembly comes right out. So the two bolts that I took out first are here and here. You'll notice that they're easily reachable from up top. You just can't see them very well. Now let's install the new fog light. The first thing I'm going to do is line up this push clip with the cutout on the lower piece of this bumper, and then I'm going to line up the top mounting stud, which sits on this long bracket, and this will be the easiest part to secure as soon as you get this lined up. So start on the mounting nut, we'll tighten it up. Try to hold it in place with your other hand so that it doesn't move around, otherwise it'll get tightened at an angle and then the beam won't shine correctly. Make that snug. Now let's get the two mounting bolts up top started. Okay, I got one started. I know it's threaded in, so I'm just going to start the other one. That way I know they're both situated, and then I'll tighten them both up. All right, let's tighten these up. Okay, that one's snug. Let's tighten up this other one. That's nice and snug. Last thing we have to do is reconnect the electrical connector. And now that this is done, you can do the same to the other side if you need to. Make sure this clicks. And this right here, just as a side note, is the adjuster to adjust your beam up and down, which you'll want to double check after you're done with the installation.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.